My Uncle Eddie passed away yesterday around 3 p.m. by now. This has got to be a signal to me through spirit that this is him. 'Cause we've never ever had this since we've been living here 7 months. Bird that's chirping. He wants to get my attention. My Uncle Eddie used to always request that song, Wings of a Silver Bird, and there you go. He's coming through to me. It's amazing. All day long. Right now it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the day after he passed away. And even my cat was down there before. And he's gonna come here and get my attention. Watch. He's right there. Beautiful little bird. It's like he's got a mission. And the funny thing is, he's faced towards me. He's faced towards the house. Amazing. Amazing. Doesn't even care about the food. Like the other bird's been coming and going all day. Isn't that amazing? Must be my Uncle Eddie. It's pretty. Just singing that one little tune. Wow, it's freaking amazing. It's amazing. Thank you, Uncle Eddie. I love you too. Glad to know you're doing okay. Hopefully it won't be as sad during the funeral. Just one bird. But we get other birds, like, these, what do you call them? The woodpecker, I don't know where he went. He just came and went, but this other bird is here all day. Amazing. Here comes